How to deactivate your Facebook account. Now in order to deactivate your Facebook account, just simply open your Facebook app and log in to there. And after logging in, tap to these three bars from the top right corner, and from there you will get to see settings option. After scrolling down a little bit, simply select the option of settings. Now after selecting settings, you will see the option of account center. Tap to account center, and in the account center you just simply need to scroll down until you see the option of manage accounts. Tap to manage accounts and you will see the button of manage. Just simply tap to big manage button and you will see the option of deactivation or deletion. Now in order to deactivate account, tap into deactivation or deletion and then select deactivate account, which will automatically be selected. From here, tap to continue button. After tapping to the continue button, enter your password in this page. Simply do it. Then tap to continue button. And after doing this much, if your password is incorrect, try again. And then this page will appear. Now you can select whatever in this page. Just simply select anything and scroll down, then tap to continue again. And after tapping in the continue button, deactivate my account option will appear. Tap to deactivate my account and your Facebook account will be deactivated. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.